Hi and welcome to Mancave Project. So in this video I'm going to show you the professional and really only way to get oil stains out of a block paved driveway. Right, so I'm a tradesman, I'm also an ex-firefighter and a father of twin boys who are both main dealer vehicle service technicians. As you can see behind me, they have quite a few toys of their own which they work on a regular basis. We do get oil spills. I've been dealing with oil spills now since they got the first car, which I think was when they were 12 years old. There is only one real way that a domestic customer or a retail customer can get oil stains out of a block paved driveway, and I'll show you. I get so annoyed and wound up when I see clickbait of people claiming that edible products like baking soda can get oil from block paved driveways. You just can't do it. And the other one is setting fire to the driveway as well. As an ex-firefighter, I've dealt with quite a few vehicle fires, and in the most severe cases it's always that the council have to come out and resurface the road. So those videos, they might be for views or to go viral, but people can genuinely damage what was probably a really nice driveway. As a firefighter as well, I've been on oil spillage courses, and part of that oil spillage course was actually the cleanup operation as well. So I do know what I'm talking about. So we've got a particularly bad oil stain, which happened about a week ago. I'm gonna prove to you from start to finish, and you'll see the whole process, that this is a very, very effective method, and it's certainly not clickbait. Right, so to prove the point, hopefully, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose one of these blocks to actually clean, leave the rest with oil on, and then hopefully you'll be able to see that it does actually work. What I don't want to do is clean it all and then someone claim that, oh, you've cut to another part of the driveway that doesn't have the oil stain. So I think we're going to choose this one, fairly badly stained. So what we're going to need is some neat washing up liquid or dish soap and some standard paint thinners. I'm not even going to use a power washer, which is what I would normally use. Just a regular garden hose. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to emulsify this oil. It's on here. So just using a scrubber, a dish scrubber from the kitchen, and we just work that in like that. Take that off. Let's go over it again. Just trying to get rid of as much oil as we possibly can before we put the thinners on, because obviously thinners are a lot more expensive. So the sun's out today, hopefully this will dry quite quickly. I'll just put that on there so we know which one it is. Might just cut the video because I don't think you want to see this drying. But basically what we have to do now we've sort of emulsified it and we've taken off as much as we can, we leave this to dry before we put the thinners on. If we don't, then we're just going to water down the thinners and it'll be less effective. Right, so once it's fairly dry, the next thing to do is to use the thinners. I just think paint thinners are the solvent that is easily available to obviously the general public. You don't need a lot. Put the lid back on, and it's the same process again. and start away. With a power washer, this would be a lot easier. But I just wanted to prove that even with the basic of equipment, you can get this job done. Right, leave that to dry and then I'll show you the final result. Right, so there you go. I don't think I can make it any clearer than that. Back to what it used to be like 10 years ago when we first had this driveway put in. Honestly, don't use anything that's edible, that won't work, and certainly don't start setting fire to oil patches on your driveway. Gets me so angry when I see people doing that, claiming that it works. And funnily enough, those types of videos, you never see the end result like this. So there you go, how to get oil stains out of a block paved driveway the honest way. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.